Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to transfer a TikTok account to another phone. Right? If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, all you got to do is just remember the credentials that you have used in this specific account. Okay? And then once that's done on your other phone or new device, all you got to do is just to log into the same exact account. All right? Now, to show you, for example, this is my main phone. As you can see, this account is logged in. Now, on the other device, all you got to do is download TikTok, open it up, and then once done, it will ask you to sign in or log in. Okay? So you just got to follow the simple prompts. You can skip this one right here. And then after that, go ahead over to profile at the bottom right and just log in using your phone or phone number, email, or username. Also, you can continue using with your Facebook account or Google account. All right. So I'm just going to go ahead and use Google right here and then select from one of your Google account that is tied to your previous TikTok account. Wait for it to load, and then shortly, you'll now be able to use that same account in the new phone. All right. Just check your profile right here at the bottom right, wait for it to fully load, and once done, you are good to go. And that is how you transfer a TikTok account to another phone. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.